Hey guys, it's your favorite railroader, Railroad Studios. Welcome back to yet another video. Happy New Year's! So I'm sorry for the lack of videos again. I've been busy with traveling and some other stuff. We had Christmas parties and stuff. Oh my god, it was crazy. So, yeah. I'm filming on a new device. It's a camcorder. It's a Sony camcorder. I'm kind of happy about that. And yeah, now the reason why you come here. I got for Christmas, a Bachmann HL scale chessie system caboose. I mean, it looks pretty nice from the outside. Bachmann. Yep, Bachmann. I have another car that looks just like this. It's the Roundhouse, and it's item number 17709. Got it for Christmas when we were in Ohio. I love it. Is it right side up? Of course it is, because I'm smart. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay. So you get a plastic thing, like the train set Bachmann has. Really nicely detailed. Look at this. This is really cool. So let's take it out. And look at that. You have the chessie system logo. You have a smokestack. And you have, it's a extended vision, so of course you got to have the cupola. I don't know what sign that is, but I'm going to find out. Gee, this controller board here, let me show you. So this controller board that we have is it's temporary, and it's like kind of wiggly, so it's really hard to focus on this. As you can see. So this is kind of an update of the old caboose design. It's that Bachmann makes. And this is right here. Hope I don't drop it. I hope that's my new 2019 New Year's resolution, is not to drop anything, because I at least dropped. I got a caboose that looked just like this when I opened it, right straight out of the box. It was upside down, and it fell on the ground, and wheel popped out, and this ladder section right here popped out. And I was so mad at myself. So yeah, see, this one's kind of, okay. Spit out the words, Railroad Studios. Okay. This one is a BNSF, and all it has is just, I mean, it has the same thing. It doesn't have a ladder. This one has a ladder, but it doesn't. And this one doesn't have windows. So the Roundhouse one doesn't have windows. And it doesn't have any interior. That's disappointing too. So, okay. Just like magic, I got the train on the tracks. Shut up. Okay, so this is my steam locomotive, and I'm going to put the chessie system car on the tracks. And wish I didn't re-railer. Oh, I do. So, change that there. So this one's on the, oh yeah, update. I removed this, and I added my Lego Hogwarts Express. Built it. And then the snake in the boat. Okay, now this guy, we're going to have this junction. How do you do this? How do you do this, man? Oh, it's not on. I'm not gonna explain. Set that up. Take that up. No, stay. Alright, now let's move this guy. No, other way. Now it's just, oh wait. Nope, no freight cars are going to be pulling this. Coupled. Looks like they are coupled. Now, let's go. Come on. Okay. Well guys, thank you for watching Railroad Studios. I will be doing more review and unboxing videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification button for more videos. And if I have any extras, like these, like I have a lot of extras. But when the layout's finished, and if I do have any extras, I'll be doing a giveaway and giving them to you. But I don't know yet. See ya! Bye! Thank you for watching Railroad Studios. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And enjoy other Railroad Studios videos.